Hey everyone, welcome to the show. So the estate of deceased officer Brian Sicknick has filed a lawsuit against Donald Trump and two other men for his death, for the officer's death. The lawsuit names Trump and two other men who attacked Sicknick at the Capitol. They're defendants in this case. Now, George Tanyos and Julian Cater, as you guys may know, they're the ones who assaulted Officer Sicknick with pepper spray on January 6th of 2021. And Sicknick later collapsed. He was taken to the hospital. Unfortunately, he suffered multiple strokes and he passed away the following day. So the coroner ruled that Sicknick's death was due to natural causes, but the coroner also noted that what took place at the Capitol, quote, played a role in his condition. And the lawsuit states in part, quote, the horrific events of January 6, 2021, including Officer Sicknick's tragic wrongful death, were a direct and foreseeable consequence of the defendant's unlawful actions. And it notes that the violent attack was, quote, a direct and foreseeable consequence of defendant Trump's false and incendiary allegations of fraud and theft. So Trump and the others are accused of wrongful death, conspiracy to violate civil rights, and negligence. And then in addition, the lawsuit accuses Cater and Tanyos of common law assault, and Trump is also additionally accused of aiding and abetting in that crime. So Officer Sicknick's estate is asking for a court to award $10 million in damages from each of the three defendants. So I will definitely keep you guys posted on all of this. And later this month, Tanyos and Cater are going to be sentenced for their crimes at the Capitol. So that's based on the Justice Department prosecution. So I will also let you know how that shakes out. And personally, I don't see how they quash this lawsuit, because you guys may know there were several other officers who committed suicide after January 6th because of what happened on January 6th, either because of head trauma that they sustained during the attack and the lasting damage from that, and or from the stress and the PTSD from what happened on January 6th. So, and one of those at least was ruled in the line of duty, even though he committed suicide in the days following. The coroner ruled that, yes, it was in the line of duty. So how this coroner could not rule that Officer Sicknick's death was in the line of duty is just bizarre. It's absurd. But we'll see how it all goes. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm really hoping that Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss will sue Trump as well, because he has recently revived his lies about them rigging the election in Georgia. He has now made those statements outside of his so-called role as the president. So he can't rope the DOJ into paying his legal fees and wasting their time defending him. You know, that's the same thing that went down with the case against him with columnist E. Jean Carroll. She sued him before and when he was president, and that's the excuse that he used. But then he made comments about her after he left office, and she was able to sue him separately because he did not make those comments while acting as the president. So I'm truly hoping, and the thing with Shay Moss and Ruby Freeman, now you don't have to deal with any kind of statute of limitations, because he just made these comments. He put them in writing on his Truth Social site. And so now that starts a new clock ticking. So we'll see. I will definitely let you guys know how all of this goes down. But thank you so much for watching and listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please donate or become a monthly supporter. All the links are down in the description box below. Greatly appreciate it. Appreciate all of you. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.